Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Bumble Bee Tuna for healthy snacks, complete guide step by step clearly. Using Bumble Bee Tuna for healthy snacks is a smart choice. Start by selecting the type of Bumble Bee Tuna you prefer. Options include solid white albacore, chunk light tuna, and flavored varieties. Open the can of tuna carefully with a can opener. Make sure to drain excess liquid by pressing the lid against the tuna as you pour. Transfer the tuna to a mixing bowl for easy preparation. Next, add your choice of ingredients to enhance flavor and nutrition. Consider mixing in Greek yogurt as a healthier alternative to mayonnaise. Chop fresh vegetables like celery, onion, or bell peppers for added crunch. Add seasonings such as salt, pepper, garlic powder, or lemon juice to taste. For some extra flavor, try incorporating herbs like dill or parsley. Once combined, taste the mixture and adjust seasoning if necessary. Now, think about how you'd like to serve your tuna mix. Crispy crackers or whole grain bread can be a great base. For a low-carb option, serve the tuna on cucumber slices or lettuce wraps. Spoon the mixture onto your chosen base and garnish with fresh herbs if desired. You can also prepare a tuna salad by adding chopped hard-boiled eggs. Or create a tuna-stuffed avocado by scooping out the flesh and mixing it with the tuna. If you prefer something warm, consider making a tuna melt on whole grain bread. Just top your bread with the tuna mix and a slice of cheese, then broil until golden. Finally, always store any leftover tuna mix in an airtight container in the fridge. This ensures freshness for your next healthy snack. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious Bumble Bee Tuna snacks throughout the week. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.